Meaning of independence.
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 Independence. Independence refers to the state of being self-reliant and free from external control or influence. It is characterized by autonomy, freedom, and self-sufficiency, where individuals or nations can make decisions without interference or coercion from others. Independence can be achieved through various means such as political or economic movements, revolutions, and declarations. It allows individuals or societies to pursue their own goals, values, and interests without being subjected to external pressures, constraints, or limitations. Overall, independence is a fundamental human aspiration that empowers individuals and nations to take charge of their own destinies.